Should you start a business if you're depressed? That's a heavy one, yo. That's a heavy one. And then I guess what coincides with that is overcoming depression while you're running a business. It's heavy. You know what I realized? Everybody deals with depression differently, right? For me, running a business with seasonal depression, it's incredible that this joint is still running. I'm going to tell you right now, because there have been moments where maybe 1 to 2 months I'll take off because I'm just not there. You know what I mean? It comes back around. I don't know. I feel like you do have control of your mind. Like, you're never not going to be in control of your mind. And it's just more of a conversation piece that not a lot of people talk about on the business side. I'm just interested to hear about ways that you guys deal with depression running your business, and seeing if we can create some dialogue there. I would love to hear from you in the comments, and I'll definitely be responding in video form to those. Appreciate y'all.